Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Kim Learning English for the 7th video of Simple Past បាទសួស្តីបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវត្រឡប់មកកាន់ Channel Kim Learning English សាជាថ្មីនៅវីដេអូទី7នៃទម្រង់ Simple Past ដែលជាទម្រង់អតីតកាលធម្មតាបាទអញ្ចឹងកាលពីវីដេអូទី6គឺយើងបានចិត្តនឹងបញ្ចប់នៅ exercise ទី2ហើយណាបាទអញ្ចឹងឥឡូវខ្ញុំសូមបន្តតែម្ដងបាទកុំឲ្យខាត់ពេលចាប់ពីលេខ8ទៅណា Okay, now let's continue. Yeah, number 8, the student work on the project together yesterday, right? Work is a regular verb and here in the positive, right? So verb plus ed, worked. Number 9, they won. Yeah, they mean the verb won. To watch TV last night. Okay, in the positive. And how about one is a regular verb to ed, wanted. And number 10, the verb walk, home last night. In the positive too, walk, plus ed. Okay, chúng ta walk nó cứ chia cả sắp tiếng toạt đài nhé. Okay, now let's go to exercise 3. Và lấy những bắt đầu cho đó là hạt tỷ 3 tay mà đó nhé. Okay, exercise 3 in here, write the right form of the verbs. Just to say, tụi rong bạn trong tay này, cái sắp. Và cho nên nó miền infinitive and simple past và miền cả sắp đám nâng cả sắp tung tỷ pi và sau miền cả sắp tung tỷ muối nhưng từ sẽ chia cả sắp tung tỷ pi và sau miền tung tỷ pi từ sẽ mà chia tung tỷ muối vinh. First of all, kiss. Kiss is regular verb. Everyone just ed, right? Kissed. And wait. Wait nó cứ chia cả sắp tiếng toán đấy. Waited. And live, live to live plus d or ed, and stopped, verb 2, and how about verb 1? What's it? Stop, right? And cry, come from cry, okay? And hurry, hurry to, change y to id. Hurried. And what? What? Plus ed. What? And sell? What's it? Sell come from sell. And how about swept? Come from swept. Okay. And cook? To past simple, everyone. Cooked. With ed. Everyone, now that's all for this exercise. And let's go to the next exercise for exercise 4. Lấy cho đâu là tỷ 4 time đó. Make a past simple, past tense, negative or question. Và chúc mừng các chị tụi mình ở cá đời đại màn tập tới tam tụi mình srop và đại sai có sầm nụ mà cho nên nó cứ mệt bị chụp này thằng thằng bay tụi mình đấy. Okay, now let's go. Number 1. I worked in a bank for 10 years. Và chẳng này không positive. Positive work plus ed, right? I worked. And number 2, where you live when you were young. Okay, just question. Where? Okay, did, right? Where did you live? Okay. And number 3, she not study French at university. Not study. Negative form. But I said didn't. Didn't study. And number 4, he traveled through the Middle East last year. Travel in the positive form. Travel plus ed. And number 5, they visit the lobby in Paris. Just in a positive, just up. They visited, right? Number 6, she not watch TV yesterday. In the negative form, right? Should not to didn't, right? She didn't watch. Okay. Number 7, we buy a new car last weekend. Buy to was it bought, right? Because bought is irregular verb. Back as a prune. And number 8, where you teach before you came here. So question, where did you teach? Number 9, he not saying that he was right. So in the negative form, I said he didn't sing, right? Number 10, I cooked steak last night. In the past tense, everyone. So cook plus ed for regular verb. I cooked. Number 11, Lucy read War and Peace at school. Yeah, in a question form. Question just did, right? Did Lucy read? Okay. And number 12, she not write to her grandmother. So in the negative form, she didn't write, right? Okay, sorry. And number 13, we have a computer when I was a child. So in the past tense form, have to had, right? Okay. Now let's go to the next page. Yeah. And let's continue from number 14. Yeah, where you go on holiday. So in question, where did you go? Number 15, I love ice cream when I was a child. So positive, right? Positive love just 8D, right? I loved. And for number 16, they not met yesterday. In the negative form, right? So didn't meet. Okay, didn't meet. And number 17, she swam in the sea in Greece. Yeah, so in a positive, right? So you have to complete she. Yeah, swim to everyone. Swim, right? Okay, irregular verb. Number 18, we not play tennis yesterday because it was raining. So in the negative form, not to, didn't, right? Didn't play. Okay. And number 19, he tried to lift the bar, but he couldn't. Yeah, positive form, try. Yeah, change y to ied because try is regular verb. And number 20, the last one, what you eat for lunch. Yeah, in question, I said, what did you eat for lunch? Okay, now let's go to exercise 5. Okay, and put the verbs into the simple past. Simple past. Number 1, last year I, verb go, to England on holiday, right? So go to went, right? Number 2, it be fantastic. So it just read was. Number 3, I visit lots of interesting places. Yeah. So I visit to visited. Yeah. I be with 2 friends of mine. Yeah. I be used with was. Okay. Number 4, in the morning we walk in the street of London. Yeah, so in the past tense, walk is a regular verb, so just ed, walked. Number 5, in the evening we go to pubs, right? So go, went. Yeah, change to went. Number 6, the weather be strangely fine. Yeah, be to was. Number 7, it not rain a lot. Not rain. So in the negative form, right? Didn't rain. Number 8, but we see some beautiful rainbows. Yeah, see in the past tense to saw, right? And number 9, where spend you your last holiday? In question, yourសំណួរ where did you spend your last holiday? And the last one, number 10, we moved to a new house last weekend, right? Move, yeah, add D, right? Okay, move is the regular verb because something today. Okay, now that's all for the exercise. Yeah. Now let's go to the next exercise in here. Yeah, exercise 6, right? Okay,ចឹងឡើយយើងត្រឡប់ទៅកាន់លំហាត់ទី6 Okay, ចឹងលំហាត់ទី6នេះគឺជាលំហាត់ដែលចុងក្រោយហើយទាំងអស់គ្នា Okay, put the regular verbs in the correct categories បាទចុចដាក់ការស័ព្ទបាទទៀងទាត់ទាំងអស់នេះឲ្យត្រឹមត្រូវតាមប្រភេទណា correct category yeah so minute man explain job lie enjoy hop yeah clap stop one your speed miss wait agree bury stay start just បាទចឹងទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងយើងដាក់មកយើងបន្ថែម ed ទៅលើវាហើយយើងចូលសំឡេងមួយណាសំឡេង it សំឡេង truck ឬក៏សំឡេង the right okay now need yeah finish by d okay so here to need plus ed to need it right and man everyone man yeah finish by d too so yeah man did yeah something like it it's plain yeah it's plain គឺចូលសំឡេង the right okay it's plain right sorry and how about job yeah job ក៏ចូលសំឡេង the ដែរ okay ប៉ុន្តែវាចូលទំនង CVC okay job and lie គឺវាចាប់ដល់តែ K ចឹង E យកទៅណាយកជើងជំនះចឹងវាមានសំឡេង th okay light okay and enjoy yeah ចូលសំឡេងthe okay and hop ចាប់ដល់លើ P ចឹងវាចូលសំឡេង th ណាតែចូលទំនង CVC add one more consonant hopped and clapped yeah clap also th too yeah CVC too clapped and stop yeah stop also here yeah stop CVC too stopped yeah and one yeah finished by T right it sound wanted and spit yeah finished by D everyone yeah so spit it yeah, it sound and miss yeah here missed yeah sound and wait everyone yeah here finished by T right waited and agree yeah agree here yeah just a D yeah agree and bury yeah also the sound okay change Y to IE D and stay yeah also the sound right 8 ed okay and how about start everyone yeah start in here right okay started yeah it sound and the last one juice yeah this one right used okay now everyone that's all yeah for exercise and thank you for watching yeah I hope you will understand well about how to use participle if you have any problem or question you can leave below okay thank you for watching goodbye